Hi folks, Russ with ProSteam. Once again, we have some LVT flooring. This is Amtico, and it's in a beautiful, beautiful flat, just on the outskirts of London. And the couple have recently moved in. The floor hasn't been down that long at all. The customer really wants the floor as clean as possible and sealed. And so what we're going to do is we're going to deep clean the floor. We're going to remove things like this. And that's probably a little bit of paint. Some over here as well. In the corner there, okay. There's going to be probably glue residue from where the floor was fitted. And also just surface dirt and grime. Some down there as well. Okay. So no point in sealing a floor unless it's absolutely perfect in terms of cleanliness. It's got to be as clean as possible before it's sealed. So it's not a large area, and we don't usually cover this area. We do charge a premium for venturing out of our catchment area, but to be fair to the customer, she saw the videos online and read the reviews, and she'd rather pay more and get the job done properly by somebody who's trusted. And so we're here today, and let's get on with cleaning. Once it's cleaned, we'll come back to it, have a look at it then, just before we seal it. Right, well, that's the cleaning done. And so what we have now is a blank canvas. It's exactly how the floor should look. We've removed all those paint, or it could be glue, areas that were on the surface, sat on the surface of the tile. Okay, around here as well, there's a few. Okay, so the floor was actually very, very dirty. We emptied the wastewater out of the machine, and it was pretty dirty. So the floor is about as clean as we can get it, and the next stage is to apply Secure and Hard Seal. This is the product, and if you're watching this video and you're thinking about having a go yourself to save a few quid, these are professional products. You cannot buy them unless you have an account with Dr. Schutz. And to get an account, you've got to be a professional. So we've had a few people calling recently, fishing for information on how we do things, where we get our stuff from, that kind of thing. With the greatest of respect, we don't share that information with the public. Anyway, with that said, let's get the seal down. Make a note, folks, of the finish of the floor. There was a bit of glare coming in from that window on the floor. You can see there isn't much colour to the floor. It's a bit pasty white. What we're going to do now is apply the product. It's going to achieve a kind of a satin finish on this floor. It's going to increase the reflectiveness of the floor very slightly. Okay, it's not going to make it shiny, but what it will do, it will actually bring out the colour of the tile. So all the dark areas, like the knots you see here, it will certainly improve how it looks. Anyway, we'll come back to it in a bit once we've applied the seal. Let's have a look how it looks then. Well, once again, we've come to the end of another LVT clean and seal job, and so here's how the floor looks now. Now we've applied our Secure and Hard Seal to the surface. This is drying very quickly, anywhere between half an hour to an hour, and then cured in around about 24 hours. So we advise our clients not to get the floor wet or get it dirty, and try and keep off the floor. We do provide our customers with overshoes, because obviously this is a kitchen and it needs to be used. So if you just wear overshoes, it will protect the floor until it has fully cured. So there you have it, folks. The floor, I don't know if you can see this in the video, but the floor certainly looks richer. There's more colour in the floor, and it looks ready now to have the furniture on the floor now, whereas before it just kind of looked a pasty white kind of finish, just didn't look right at all. And if you're spending a lot of money on Amtico or Karndean or any other high value luxury vinyl tile flooring, it's always best to go the extra mile and have it professionally cleaned and sealed by ProSteam. And so there you have it. If you have any questions, or if you have an inquiry on having your floor professionally cleaned and sealed, then please email us at info@prosteamuk.com or visit our website www.prosteamuk.com. Thanks for watching.